Hi guys and girls, back with your boy AJ Phoenix Unboxings, and as I'm doing this right now, it is Christmas Day. You've probably seen a video up already on Christmas Day, so you know what this is? It is the Tomb Raider 1, 2 and 3 Remastered Deluxe Edition. Now, I have played the original 1, 2 and 3, and in the comments, who has locked the butler in the fridge? It has to be done, because he's a pain in the butt. So, kids, always get an adult to do the cutting if you're doing any cutting, so you don't hurt yourselves. Always let the professionals do it. So, let's get in, shall we? Let's see what we have. And I know that on pre-order at the minute, there is the remastered version of 4, 5 and 6. So, all of the Tomb Raiders all together from the original PS1. So, ooh. So this is what I see, guys. That's what I see in a minute. And here we go. Let's get everything out. That's everything. So, we have got a card. I'm not going to show you the back because it's got a code on. So, that is the first thing, and it's got a code obviously to download the soundtracks, official soundtracks. We've got an audio disc, which is nice, isn't it? That's pretty cool. I like that. The greatest hits of the soundtracks. I'll show you the disc anyway. Get here, disc. There you go, guys and girls. Look at that. How cool is that? So that's that. So as you see, you've got the box. That. The card. The game, the remastered 1, 2 and 3 actual game, which I'm gonna do the unboxing for you. So, oh, I shouldn't have to use my knife, I can just tear the bitted bottom. There we go, easy peasy. He says easy peasy, didn't he? That's not, get off me. So, let's do this carefully. There we go, that was easier. Simple. So, put rubbish there a minute. So let's see. Oh, what's this? Get 20% off using the code. So, guys and girls, I'm going to give you this, okay, if you want this, okay. So, obviously, it's first come, first serve. Whoever gets it, gets it. I'm giving something away that I have got myself, yeah, so there you go, guys. I'll put it in the description if you need to, but it's there if you want, okay. So you get 20% off this, the site wide, I can't read backwards, site wide. Use code, yeah, the code at the bottom. There you go, guys, okay. I got exploring map book, exploring book, which I'll show you sort of like that. Or hold up, there you go. So yeah, you can sort of see certain things. I'm just flicking through quick as possible. There, just a little snippet. So 20%, your book, your steel book. So this is a steel book, which looks pretty lovely. I like it. Look at that. That's cool, eh? And the game itself is going to go in here. And I'm doing, look at this, guys. Hell yes, hell yes. So, I'm going to get the game. And that going to go in there. So what I'm going to do, trying to lay this out nicely so you can see. So this is how I've done it, look. What a nice line. Oh dear. So that is the unboxing of the deluxe edition of Tomb Raider 1, 2, 3 Remastered for the PlayStation 5. And I'm not sure if it's for, obviously you can play it on the PS5 Pro, but I don't know if the enhancements is for it. That's what I meant. So yeah, everything is there if you want. I've got the soundtrack, you've got 20% off, and yeah, if you've really enjoyed, please smash the hell out of the like button, and if you're new, please do a huge favour and subscribe to your boy. And yeah, I'll leave it down in the description where you can buy this from. And yes, guys and girls, hope you had a lovely Christmas, and yeah, I'm off, and stay safe, keep safe, always look after your friends and family, and see you next video, guys. Bye bye. You find me in the furnace.